Power over the Ethernet, or PoE, is the use of one cord to power a device as well as transmit its information. This has a lot of benefits for businesses, which include simpler installation, less power use, and flexibility in location.
Detailed explanation. A PoE injector is a networking device that adds electrical power to an Ethernet cable, allowing a single cable to provide both data connection and electrical power to devices such as IP cameras, wireless access points, VoIP phones, and other network devices that support PoE. This technology simplifies installation by eliminating the need for separate power cables, enabling devices to be installed in locations without easy access to power outlets. Main functions of a PoE injector. 1. Power supply injection injects DC power into the Ethernet cable alongside the data signals. 2. Data transmission. Passes Ethernet data between the network switch and the power device without interruption. 3. Power management. Provides the appropriate voltage and current to the power device, often compliant with IEEE 800.3 AF at BT standards. 4. Protection includes safeguards such as over-voltage protection, short-circuit protection, and power surge protection to protect connected devices. Internal components of a PoE injector and their functions. 1. Power input connector. Accepts AC or DC input power from an external power source, typically an AC adapter. Converts the external power to a regulated DC voltage suitable for PoE. 2. DC converter or switching regulator converts and regulates the incoming voltage to the required DC output voltage, usually around 48 volt DC for PoE. Ensures stable power delivery to the Ethernet cable. 3. Indicator lets provide visual status of power output, data transmission, and fault conditions. 4. Detection and classification circuit detects whether the connected device supports PoE and determines the power class needed. Prevents damage by ensuring power is only supplied to compatible devices. 5. Protection circuit overcurrent protection to prevent damage from short circuit or overloads. Overvoltage and surge protection to protect connected devices from electrical spikes. Thermal protection to prevent overheating of internal components. Typical use cases. 1. Supplying power and data to remote wireless access point mounted on ceilings or walls. To PoE and IP cameras placed in locations without power outlets. 3. Providing power to VoIP phones over Ethernet cables. 4. Enabling network devices in difficult to access places without electrical wiring. Summer, a PoE injector is a crucial device for simplifying network installations by combining power and data over one Ethernet cables. Its internal components work together to safely and efficiently deliver the correct power while maintaining high-quality data transmission. Advantages. 1. Limited distance, works up to 100 meters only. 2. Power limit. Can only supply limited wattage. 3. Extra cost. Requires buying an injector separately. For single device, typically powers only one device per injector. 5. Not scalable, less efficient for large PoE networks compared to PoE switches. Disadvantages. 1. Single cable transmits both data and power via one Ethernet cable. 2. Cost saving and nitrogen monoxide need for separate power wiring. 3. Easy installation, simple plug-and-play setup. 4. Flexible plus-many devices can be installed far from power outlets. 5. Reduced clutter, fewer cables for a cleaner setup. Internal components of a PoE injector. 1. Inside a PoE injector you can typically find 2. RJ for 5 ports for data input and PoE output. 3. PCB printed circuit board, the main board that holds all components. 4. DC power jack or terminal input for external power supply. 5. Power supply circuit converts AC to DC voltage. 6. PoE controller IC manages power negotiation for active PoE. 7. DC-DC converter regulates and stabilizes voltage output. 8. Capacitors store and smooth electrical energy. 10. Resistors for current limiting and voltage division. 11. Protection components such as diodes, fuses, or TVS diodes to prevent surges. 12. LED indicators show power and data status. How PoE injector works. 1. Data is received from a non-PoE network switch or router. 2. The injector adds DC power to the Ethernet cable pairs. 3. Data plus power are transmitted together to the powered device PD. 4. The powered device separates data and power internally.